Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to train with another old case of the Battle of 16 of the Excelli Sports, which is poker basically. So I'm assuming most of you will know the rules, at least I know them. This is Texas Hold'em poker, so each player is provided with a pocket of cards, 2 of them. And then 5 cards, actually 3 plus 1 plus turn, which is the flop, the turn and the river, are flipped over the board, and the player needs to compose the best hand using his cards and the cards on the board in the most convenient way. So you're basically asked to score the different hands here, and you got your boards as the inputs. Then you have to select for each player which is the combination achieved with those cards, and also which player is going to win the hand. So quite straightforward in terms of rules. Of course, according to the difficulty of the levels, you have increasing possibilities. With level 1 you can only have 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 of a kind and 4 of a kind, so just the combination of the same cards. Of course, for who doesn't know the rules, you can see here how the combinations are done. So 1 pair is 2 cards of the same kind, then 2 pairs means 2 different pairs of 2 cards of the same kind, the 3 of a kind is 3, and poker, so 4 of a kind is 4, regardless of course of the suits, also because you're matching the same face value. Then you have the straight, which is 5 cards ordered, and you can have straights. The lowest one is ace to 5 and the highest one is 10 to ace. Flush means 5 cards of the same suit. Full house means 3 of a kind plus a pair. Straight flush and royal flush are 2 particular flushes in which you have the 5 cards in the order, but with straight flush they are of the same suit, and the royal flush is a straight flush of the highest order, so 10 to ace. Having said that, let's start. So I will build my usual solver worksheet. I will have game 1. I'm going to XLOOKUP my dataset. This is an old format, so I'm not leveraging my usual helper worksheet. And then I'm interested in getting D to N, I think. And okay. This point you have to build the 2 different hands. So player 1 will be those 5 plus 2 cards, and player 2 will be those 5 plus 2 cards. I'm thinking on the most convenient way to do this. Not sure actually, but let's say that I'm going to VStack this and this for player 1. That's interesting. Okay, of course I got to do the transpose, and to do the transpose. Okay, that's clearly better. To extract the suit, I will do the right of this, and to extract the number I will do substitute of this, leaving the suit with nothing, and this is a string. Okay, now what I need to check is for level 1 just the combinations. So well, one way to do this could be to have the full transpose of the different no, we need to build them. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. Those are numbers, so potentially the best thing to do is to convert everything to number if applicable. So we'll do an if error of minus this, and I will keep it if that goes in an error. So it means I'm going to have numbers where applicable and string otherwise, and so I'm doing a count ifs of criteria range is this and criteria will be this. Okay, now it means I have 3 of a kind in the first example, which is a 3, 3, and 3, and that's it basically. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other player, which is basically this and this. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm done, and I'm asked who is the winner. So let's do the max of this and the max of this, and then I will do switch this value to it's a pair, value 3 is 3 of a kind, and value 4 means 4 of a kind. Default, I would say high card. I don't know what to answer in case I don't have any. Okay, so high card, yes, no combination. And the player will be if this is greater than this, it's player 1, otherwise it's player 2, P1, P2, P1, P2. Okay, let's build maybe the data table. I don't know how many, 100. Okay, so let's build our usual sequence of 100. I'm going to have player 1 this, player 2 is this, and the winner is this. I want to have a little bit of extra space. Let's build the data table. Okay, and 3 of a kind, 1 pair. Okay, it's different, the naming. Okay, I don't know how to double check, honestly. I will do like this. P1, P2, P2. Oh, that's interesting. That's wrong. Two pairs are possible. Okay, you can also have 2 pairs. Sorry, I thought only 1 pair, 3 of a kind, and 4 of a kind. So, in order to have 2 pairs, 2 pairs. If countifs of this 2 greater than or equal to, it's 1, otherwise it's 0. Okay, so game 4 probably will have 2 pairs. Yes. this case, yeah, one pair. So let's say if and this equals 2 and this equals 1, 2 pairs, otherwise the switch. I don't like this approach, honestly. And then two pairs. Game 4. Yeah, okay. Potentially I could also leverage this structure to have sort of a ranking, if that makes sense. Why don't we say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So triple kind straights, beats, flush beats, full house, full okay. So I'm going to simply X look up this. Here returning here. And this point I will switch using that. Okay, so P2, P1, P1, P2, P1, P2, 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 P1, P2, P1, P1, P2, seems quite right. P2, 2 of a kind, 2 pairs, 2 of a kind, 1 pair, 2 of a kind. Yes, seems right to me, honestly. I could easily build an automated check to avoid checking manually all these things, but that's okay, I guess. So level 2, straight and full house can now be possible. A clear winner is determined. So maybe basically straight means I have the cards in the order, and full house I have the 2 pairs check means I have count ifs of 2, which is at least 3. So full house, it means that I should have count ifs of 2, at least 1, and count ifs of 3, which is at least 1. Okay. And then in terms of straight, it means that I should have 5 consecutive, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, so or sorry, and those is greater than 1. Minus minus, but I missed the closing ace, which I need only for this purpose and not to count the potential pairs, because I already have the starting ace. Okay, and so straight, it means minus minus count ifs of this 1 is greater than 0, with maybe a bracket. Okay, now I need to say that, so full house, I need an ifs. This equals 1, it's full house. This equals 1, it's straight. And then true, no, 2 pairs, and then I have the true of this. I'm not sure because the 4 of a kind needs to override the full house or everything. So I might remove this honestly from here and say that if this equals 4 is 4 of a kind. Okay, let's see. I have problems. 33, what happens? Okay, so full house is 3 plus 2, but let's just remove this for the sake of grading. So, and I get rid of the errors. If and this equals first answer, this equals this, and this equals this, so otherwise it's 0. I don't know how many games. So 25 should be all right, and we have it. And then we should have level 2, which is 26 to 50, but I think I have problems. I have for sure problems. So conditional formatting, highlight equal to 0. Yes. So full house 1 pair, I have problems. 33. Why? Yeah, of course, because I have the 3 plus 2 thing. So I need to put it back again. So full house 3 plus 2 is this, okay, and then I need to say that full house is 3 plus 2, and here as well. Okay, I still have problems. 34. What happens? So 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a straight. Yeah, of course, this is greater than 0. that's a bug. Still problems. So 44. Ace Jack, which is 2 pairs basically. Actually not full house, okay. And 3 of a kind. King Jack. Actually Ace straight, not 3 of a kind. So what is going on here? Of course I forgot the ace. I need this. Oh, that was bad. That was really bad. Okay. So now it should be it. Of course I've broken the first level, but why? 2 of a kind. 2 pairs. 3 Jack. No, I don't need the last one. So now it should be okay. And that's it. Okay, let's go for level 3. Any combination is now possible, clear win is determined, so I need to consider also the flush and the straight flush and royal flush. Okay, so to consider the flush I will need to have the unique of this. Let's say a 2 call of this and this. The V stack, sorry, not the 2 call, then unique, and then transpose. Come on, I don't have the missing. Okay, now I have it. Okay, that's basically a count ifs again of this criteria. Okay, in order to have a flush I need to have the 5 suits in place, so flush means if or this equals 5 and 1, otherwise it's 0. Okay, okay, I want to check. So 4 of a kind still wins full house, then this equals 1, it's flush, but straight flush is better, so, and this equals 1, this equals 1, it's straight flush. Okay, I'm not considering the royal flush. Royal flush will need to have exactly this one also to be 1, so I need to to put it in conditions. So that is one, and also this is actually one, and so it will be a royal flush. Maybe it might work, so let's update. I'm assuming this is games 51 to 75. Yes, that's right. Let's drag this down, and that's it. Okay. Is it that simple? Okay. 4 of a kind, flush, 1 pair. And what if I drag it down? Okay, I need to check the draws, but I'm aware of this. So straight flush here, interesting. No royal flushes. Yes, game 86. That's interesting. So it's 10. That's bad. That's bad because that needs to be greater than or equal to. And now you have it. Oh, royal flush against straight flush. No, this is simple flush. Yeah, of course, because it's not true that if you have both the straight and the flush, that's a straight flush. So yeah, it's probably better to manually check all the straight flush and royal flushes to validate if that's for real a straight flush royal flush. Well, if that's royal flush is for true, needs to be true, because you have a straight here highlighted, you have the flush. It cannot be that you have the straight plus the flush. I mean, might be, yes, it might be, for instance, if you have ace king queen jack 10 9 and you have a flush here and also a straight here, which is very borderline. But okay, for the sake of doing this in competition, I will probably check manually all the draws and the straight flush and royal flush instances to be double sure. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.